for you, my question is, how can I work on my voice?
So if you give me permission, I'd love to push you a little bit or try that out. Is that okay? Just put one hand on your chest real quick and one hand on your belly. And just observe your breath. Naturally, don't change anything. And as you're observing, notice, where do you breathe from more? Is it the chest or is it the belly? And it might be the same.
My belly.
Your belly?
Yeah, I
You
feel
feel
my belly.
Okay, good. Now continue talking. Do you feel any tension there as you're talking in the belly?
Tension here.
Tension is here. That means you don't talk from the belly, you talk from here, right? So that means you're breathing very shallow, and when you breathe from here, it's really hard to get that volume out.
Yeah.
So I'll demonstrate an exercise. I'm gonna exhale completely, and then I'm gonna try to talk, and you'll see how bad I sound because I have no energy, okay?
Okay.
This is me talking. You can see my voice is naturally very low because I have no air. Now, I'm going to take in a lot of air and you see the voice project. This is me talking now, and you can see all the air is coming out with my voice. Okay? So what I want you to do is just put your hand on your belly, and when you inhale, think about a spring in your head. And the spring coils as you inhale, and when you talk, all the words come out with the air. So it's almost like you're pushing it out with the air, okay? Take a really deep breath and just say, I love Toronto, as loud as you can.
I love Toronto as much as you.
Okay, pause. So first of all, it was a little louder, but you exhaled first.
Yeah.
Don't exhale then talk. Okay. Say it at the same time, okay? Let's do it one more time. Now you're catching yourself. Good, good.
Okay, what I'm gonna say.
I love Toronto. But just don't exhale when you do it. The words have to come out the moment you open your mouth.
Okay. I love Toronto.
If you're in a leadership role and you struggle to speak up in meetings and presentations and be perceived as a leader, this is for you. Now, there's only so much you can learn watching a video, but if you are serious about transforming the way you speak, you should consider my online speaking classes. My team and I have coached more than 30,000 people at companies like JP Morgan, NASA, Google, Apple, you name it, and we help them speak with the confidence, clarity, and credibility of a CEO. Now, whether you struggle with rambling when you're speaking on the spot, or you freeze in front of a room, or you feel like you sound boring and people stop listening to you, these classes can transform the way you speak. Because knowing is not the same as doing. So if you are at all interested in changing the way you speak in a matter of days, click the link down below and check out my online classes.